We are back with Glen Velvet reviews today, and I just got the HYDROSEAL, I guess from Canada, Kaplan, whatever, 1 inch. So I think, I don't know if I did an unboxing on the other one, but I did. I bought a different one. I forgot what brand it was. Oh, that stinks. So this one I thought came with the option to either have this or to have slip. I guess it only comes with this. So hopefully this is a better one. This one was $20. The other one was $14.99 or $14.90. So this is what the box looks like. It says full port, yada yada yada, true union. All right, so I got it in 1 inch, obviously, because you saw I'm doing a reef tank, fish tank, reef tank, whatever. So this is the HYDROSEAL, I guess, from Canada. Here's what the lever looks like. All right, so I mean, I guess when you break it in, it's probably easier, right? And then, so let's look on the inside. There you go. So that's kind of what it looks like. Like I said, I thought this one came with, oh shit. I thought this one came with, you know, both of them. Like the other one was cheaper, but it came with both. So, yeah, so this is pretty much it. So it's kind of beveled out right here. I don't know the difference. So it looks pretty cool though. So this one is a threaded. So we're gonna, you know, I'm gonna thread mine in. And the reason why I thread stuff in is, if you see my other videos, I just like to figure out a way that I can reuse this in the future and not have to just throw it out, you know, be penny wise, dollar foolish. You know what I mean? That doesn't make sense. You might as well like make this save, so this way that, you know, this is definitely a valve you can use in any type of plumbing. And I do a lot of work myself and everything, and I always fix stuff or whatever, so I can find use for almost anything I put my hands on. I could find use or reuse for it. So since, you know, like that, and you know, if it's hard times, you want to like reuse stuff, you know what I mean? So like that, this has the threads, so you put it in here, and then, you know, if I want to reuse it, I could take it out and put it in, because the piece that goes in here is only like 99 cents. This thing is $20, and most likely that 99 cents is going to go to like $1.50 in probably another couple of years, right? And when that goes to $1.50, this is going to go to $25. You see what I mean? So this is always going to be at a way bigger rate of jumping than that always will, because look at the labor to put this in. And obviously, you know, minimum wage went up way more than people even work anymore, you know, you know what I mean? Minimum wage went up way more than ever before, as you saw. So obviously, to make something like this is going to cost a lot of money with, you know, the minimum wage like that. So anyway, this is kind of what it looks like when you take it apart. I'm not even sure what this is. Can you mount it somewhere, I guess, or something? But I don't get it. So I don't even know what this is for, because my other ones don't have that. Whatever, I don't know. If you know what this is, tell me in the comments below, because I never used this thing before. So here's what it looks like up close. This is just going to be an unboxing, just to show you what I'm going to use. Obviously, I'm going to do a more in-depth review the next time, and I'm going to compare it to the other one, and we'll see what's up. But let me put some thread tape on here. I'm going to put this thing together, and then I'll compare it to the other one, and we'll check it out. But that's pretty much for the unboxing review. If you plan to, you know, you're going to be looking into getting this this thing, and you want to see what it looks like. All right, so yeah, so that's it for the unboxing review. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy, be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.